house group, engineer group, the weakest one is medium build, and then the sturdiest one, and both are, group was medium build, and then the weakest building was both are building, medium build. You guys have to decide, talk to each other, and then decide. Okay, so here, the UDL evaluation, everybody has to do the same experience. See, what was the goal of the third graders? Understand the moral of the text, right? And then what was the number 2? Yeah, you have to express, recreate the story, right? So now what happened is, so this is the important part. But the third graders will understand this too, okay? Not only you. So we make a rubric for evaluation, and then peer will evaluate as well. Pretty soon you guys will come out, group by group, will present what you did. So what if you see this one, this is the way I did. Did they understand the story? At least this time maybe, the vocabulary or 3 characters, or who was the force of wolf characters and who they are. And then the other one is a lesson, moral lesson, did they get it? But actually you will be surprised. I was trying to teach house building. What is the sturdiest house? But wait and see what happens. And then collaboration is a very important part. When you're in a group, you have to work together. Not only the strongest person will just dictate everything and then do by themselves. And then presentation will be. So presentation, actually that one has some basic components, the moral of the story. And then this one is actually moral, and then there is a lesson to it. Or the other one is how creative they were presenting it. That makes sense? So we will get, everybody will get this one. So peer evaluation will be there. So although they did computer group, engineering group, whatever, we will be able to evaluate based on this, the evaluation rubric. That makes sense to you? That's why we don't have to, everybody has to do the same thing over and over and over.
Like if it doesn't work.
Okay, so now we did this part, and then we'll have a presentation. So that's why I said quiet, pay attention, and at the end of class, and then you will evaluate, peer evaluation, okay? So who will come forward and then presentation? How about the music?
Hi everyone, we are going to be acting out the 3 Little Pigs. My name is Sandra.
My name is Elisa. My name is Jasmine. I'm Adalia. I'm Rosemary. Marcella.
Alright, places everyone. I will be narrating. Me and Lisa actually will be narrating.
We'll be singing.
Thanks for the morning show, guys. It's a musical.
You never know, third graders.
Third graders. And Kelsey.
We're going to get started.
Ding.
And action. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who were ready to go out into the real world.
Little pigs, you've outgrown our cozy home now that you're 18 years old. Of your own.
The first little pig did not like to work at all. He was very lazy. He quickly built himself a house made out of straw. Then off he danced. Once the house was finished, off he danced down the road to see how his brothers were doing.
I built my house of straw. I built my house of hay. I toot my coot. I don't give a hoot and play around all day.
The second little pig was building himself a house too. He was just as lazy as his first brother, so he decided to build a house quick and easy, so he made it out of sticks. Soon his house was finished too. It wasn't a strong house, but at least the work was done. Now he could do whatever he wants.
I built my house of sticks. I built my house of twigs. With a hey diddle diddle, I play on my fiddle and dance all kinds of jigs.
They both danced together on to the third pig's house to see what he was up to. The third brother was a sober little pig. He was building a house too. But he was building a house on bricks. He did not mind the hard work. He wanted a stout little, strong little house where he knew that in the woods nearby, there lived a big bad wolf who liked nothing better than to catch little pigs and eat them up. So he worked and his little brothers arrived. Laughed the first little pig when he saw his brother hard at work. Laughed the second little pig.
Come down and play with us.
But the busy little pig did not pause. Slap, slosh, slap went the bricks on mortar as he called down to them.
I built my house of stones, I built my house of bricks, I have no chance to sing and dance forward and blink don't mix.
A lot of the two lazy little pigs dancing along to the tune of the fiddle and the flute.
You can't laugh and dance and sing.
His busy brother called after them.
But overstate and you'll be sorry for when the wolf comes to the door. Ha ha ha! Ho ho ho!
Laughed the two little pigs again as they disappeared back to their houses. Then, just as the first pig reached his door, the little pig squealed with fright and slammed the door.
Little pig, let me come in.
Cried the wolf.
Not by the hair of my chin chin chin.
Said the little pig.
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Roared the wolf. And he did. He blew the little straw house all to pieces. Away raced the little pig to his brother's house with sticks. But soon the wolf got there.
I'll fool those little pigs.
Chuckled the big bad wolf to himself. Then he said out loud,
Those little pigs are too smart for me. I'm going home.
he started off toward the deep woods, but he did not go far. He hid behind a big tree. Soon the door opened and the two little pigs peeked out. There was no wolf around. Laughed the two little pigs.
We fooled
As they
him.
danced around the room singing.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, the big bad wolf, the big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. La 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 la.
Soon came another knock at the door. It was the big bad wolf again. But he had covered himself with a sheepskin and he was curled up in a big basket looking for a little lamb. Called the little pig.
I'm a poor little sheep with no place to sleep. Please open the door and let me in.
The little pig peeked through the crack of the door and he could see the wolf's big black paws and large sharp fangs.
Not by the hair of my chin chin chin. You can't fool us with the sheepskin, said the second little pig. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
So he huffed, and he puffed, and then he puffed, and he puffed, and he blew the little pig out all to pieces. Away raced the two little pigs into the third little pig's house bricks.
You are safe here, don't worry.
Then they were all singing and dancing. This made the big bad wolf perfectly furious.
Now by the hair of my chin chin chin, I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
So then the big bad wolf puffed, and he puffed, and he puffed, and he puffed, but he could not blow down that little house of bricks. How could he get in? At last, he thought of the chimney. So up he climbed, quietly. Then with a snarl down, he jumped right into a kettle of boiling water. With a yelp of pain, he sprang straight up from the chimney again and raced away from that little house as fast as he could go. The three little pigs spent their time in the strong little brick house singing and dancing merrily, and the big bad wolf never came back again.
They understand the story, and then B was understood, and celebration was good, and then the first was presentation was creative. Okay? All right, so next game. Obviously, you understood the story, right? Next game, please.
All right, ready? Here's the beat. All right, ready?
3 little piggies, 3 different piggies, 3 different houses. One made of sticks, one made of straw, and one made of bricks.
The first got
Blown away. The second got blown away. And the 2 little piggies ran to the brick house to stay. And were saved from the big bad wolf.
Same thing. It is completely different expression, but we can evaluate with the same rubric. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next script, please.
Different materials. And so the first house, which is all the way to the left, is made out of index cards and staples. So our engineers here made sure that that it was enclosed and that it was sturdy and that it would stay, and that we thought that was the weakest house just because paper is easily blown away, and also a paper house will probably be demolished with rain. It's 6 inches height, 3 inches width, 3 inches deep, and 2 ounces in weight. And so now the next one.
That's engineering.
The second house is a straw house. We made it out of straws, Play-Doh, index cards, tape, and wooden skewers. And we also put some Play-Doh on top. We reinforced our straws with our skewers so that it would be a little bit more sturdy. It is 12 inches in height, 6 inches in width, 6 inches in depth, and 2 ounces. And it weighs 2 ounces. And the wooden skewers will make the straw stronger, and the plastic straws, because the plastic straws may bend easily.
Smart third graders.
And the third house right here. This one's made out of popsicle sticks, liquid glue, and Play-Doh. And this one is the strongest one. And in height, it's 4.5 inches. In width, it's 5 inches. In depth, is 4 inches. And in weight, it's 3 ounces. So we're assuming this one's gonna be the strongest because it's wood is sturdier.
Okay.